Hey everyone,
Welcome back to Pop Draw.
and today we're going to be drawing Kool Aid Man based on this Funko Pop design. We're going to start with it's going to be a really long line around his body to form his body, so we're going to have to split it into a few parts. Let's start by going over to the left side, and we're going to kind of draw a line that starts about here and goes down like that. And we'll kind of stop it right there. And this line's going to curve all the way around eventually, but we're going to split it into a couple parts. Alright, now we're going to go to the right side, and we're going to draw a line kind of like that, but it's going to be more, it's going to curve inward a bit more up towards the top. Alright, now let's go back to the left side. We're going to continue that line and kind of bring it down and curve it around towards the middle of the bottom there. Then we're going to do that on the right side. Bring that line down and connect it with the line that we drew on the left side. Alright, now we got kind of the general shape of his body, and so let's start by drawing his left hand. We'll draw a line kind of going diagonally upward right there, and then we'll draw a line parallel to that right there. Now we're going to need to draw a line that kind of curves up like that. Now we're going to continue that line. It's going to kind of curve inward and then back around, and that's going to be his thumb. And then we will draw a straight line right there. And then let's go over to this side of the hand. We're going to draw a curved line up like that and bring it down and back around right there for one of his fingers. Then we're going to draw one more finger like that. And yeah, you can go ahead and finish the last finger right there. And so let's go and do his right hand now. We're going to kind of start the same way we did with this hand by drawing a diagonal kind of line right there. And then we'll draw another line right here. And then we'll draw his thumb by making this line curve inward and back around, hook it around like that. And then we will draw a straight line again right there. And then we'll draw one of his fingers by curving this around and making it go like that. We'll add another finger right there. And then we'll add one more finger right there. And then we're going to connect this line and this line by drawing kind of a little bit of an upward curved line to finish off that hand. Alright, so now let's draw his feet. Let's start with the right foot. We're going to start kind of in the middle of the bottom and draw a straight line down, or a diagonal line. And then we will draw a line parallel to that, but we're going to stop it about halfway right there. Now let's go back over to this longer line we drew. We're going to do a little bit of a curved line right there. Now we're going to start inward where this leg is, and we're going to draw a curved line down that connects to this line here. So let's go ahead and draw that. Alright, now we need to do his left leg. So we'll do kind of the same thing again. We'll draw that diagonal line. And this is going to be the same thing with the right leg, just mirrored. So we'll draw that line next to it, goes down about halfway. Then we'll draw that curved line, the foot there. Then we'll start here again, a little bit halfway through the leg, and draw a curved line that comes down and connects to this line down here. Alright, so now let's draw the top part of the picture. Up here, we're going to start by connecting these two parts of the line with each other. We're going to kind of go up and back down again, just like that. Then we're going to start off this line here, and we're going to draw a line that hooks up and back down. Then at the end of that line, we're going to draw kind of a straight line right there. And we're going to draw another line down, and then one more line back up, and that'll kind of form a triangle there. Alright, and so now let's go over to the right side and draw kind of another hook line that goes up like that. And now we need to connect these two lines with another line. We'll start at the tip of the triangle and draw a line that comes down and connects with the rest of the line. And now we're going to add some ice cubes in the top of the picture. So we'll go up, and these are going to be kind of like little triangles. You're going to draw a line up like that. And then back down. We'll draw another one here. And then one more. It's a little bit smaller right there. Alright, now let's add the picture handle. So we're going to start about right here, and we're going to draw a curved line down that goes down and connects just at the line that we drew for his arm. Alright, and so now we're going to have to do the last part, to add his face. We're going to start with the right eye, and we're going to draw a circle just like that. And then we're going to add a circle on the left side also for his other eye. And now we need to add his eyebrows. So let's go back over to the right side and draw a line right above his eye like that. Then you're going to start right here and draw a curved line up. And then we're going to connect those two lines together like that. And now we need to do the same thing for the left side. So we'll draw that line above his eye. And draw this curved line up. And connect them back together. Alright, now let's add his nose. So his nose is kind of a wire drop shape. We're going to start up here, bring it down, and curve it back around like that. Alright, so now we need to draw his mouth. So we're going to start over on the left side and draw a curved shape down and back up, just like that. Then on both sides we're going to add kind of an upside down U shape. One right there. and one on the left side. And now we're going to bring those lines back down on both sides and not quite connect them. They're going to make almost a full oval shape, but not completely. So now that you have that, we're going to need to draw a curved line that connects the two together. So if you want, you can kind of draw half and half. Maybe we'll draw one on the left side that goes down like that, and then one on the right side that connects them. Alright, now we're pretty much done, but we can go ahead and fill in the black parts with our Sharpie, which will be the eyebrows, the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. So we'll go ahead and fill those in with our Sharpie real quick. And if you don't have a Sharpie, you can also use a black colored pencil if you want to when you're coloring it. Alright, so now we're done with the drawing, and so we just need to color it, and we'll come back to you once we do that. Alright guys, that's it for today's video.
If you enjoyed it, you can give it a like and subscribe.
And don't forget to comment what you want us to draw next. Thanks for watching.